Hi there, everyone. I'm going to show you how to post in the forum on the Practitioners Support Forum. So we're logged in. We can see we're logged in here. It says logged in as Ruth Ruan. And we're in the Practitioners Support Forum, and we see a nice picture there of Michelle and Tara. And it'd be nice to have all of the practitioners there, actually. Maybe we will someday. And so we're just going to show you the different forums. And at the moment we have only a few resources here because it's just after starting up. But there's so many resources available on this, and we're going to be building them up as time goes on. So it's a really good idea to just get used to using it because it's such a valuable resource that's really going to pull everybody together. So first forum we have there is the news forum, but practitioners don't have to worry about that. It's just a forum for admins to send something out and everybody can get it. So nobody really can reply to this forum. It's just for sending out notices. Underneath that we have this as a little resource here. It just explains the importance of having links in your email signature, and it also has several YouTube tutorials on how to do it in the various email programs. Hopefully they're all there, and if they're not, just get on to me and I'll show you how to do it. It's really, really important. I can't stress that enough. Now, so we have the different forums down here. We've two forums here. And the other things we have a support file library, which practitioners can use to upload any kind of file. They want to share it, or they just want to keep it in a safe place and share it with other practitioners, something that everybody could use. It could be recipes, it could be diet sheets, it could be images, it could be leaflets, brochures, anything. The applications are endless for that one. There's also a practitioner's survey which you click on and then you can complete that. It's really just very, very fast. It won't take more than 5 minutes to complete it, and it'll be really great because it gives us some feedback as to where everybody is in terms of internet presence. And so we'll just go on here. We'll show you about the forum. So we have two here. We have support and discussion, and we have introduction and general forum. So we're going to start with this one because this is the one where practitioners hopefully are going to introduce themselves. So I'll just go back again there, and what I did, I just clicked on the introduction and general support forum, and they have these little, all the forums have these little two little talk boxes because this is how we communicate on a forum. We speak by typing and we listen by reading. So we have the discussions here. We can see the titles of all the discussions that have already been posted. We can see who started the discussions, how many replies, and when the last post was. So to add a new discussion topic, we are going to click on the Add New Discussion Topic button. And we are just going to start typing in the subject. So we will call the subject, this is how to post to forum. And then we move down here, and then this is where you type. You can change your type using the editing features. You can make bullet points, you can make numbers, you can have indents, you can add video, you can move the text to where you want it, you can change the color of the text, you can undo what you've done, you can change the font size and family and all of these things. You can also add an image. We'll just show you how to do this here. You can upload an image from your computer. Just choose a file and upload an image. So I'll just show you there very quickly. We'll just upload this image. I'm not sure, I uploaded this one already, so I don't know if it's going to do it for me again, but let's just see. I think it will. Yes, and then we click on the image there, and we have to give it a name, image description, events. Now if we don't give it a name, this is what happens. It says, oh, are you sure you want to continue without including an image description? Without it, the image may not be accessible to some users with disabilities. And so let's add a name. So events, and then you hit insert. You don't have to bother with these things here, but if you want to, you can use them to align the image. You can use it to give the image some space from the text to make it look nice. But we don't have to worry about these things too much for forums, because it's only just for the practitioners, so we don't have to worry too much about what they look like, because the public isn't going to see them. Now you can also add files here, but you can drag and drop them. Now with these you can add practically any file, so you can add a list, like a spreadsheet list. So culinary list, we'll just give it a name, just for demonstration purposes. We're going to do this, and we're going to upload the file, and we'll see when it's uploaded, and it will show you here that it's there. So we'll just put in here, this is for demo purposes only. Okay, so now we go down here and we will see you can add as many files as you want, and then you hit right here, post to forum. And when you hit that button, it says here the post was successfully added, and you have 30 minutes if you want to change it. That's 30 minutes before it gets sent out to everybody. Now, don't worry about it too much, because it's, it's not that, if you make a mistake, it's easy to just fix it. So now if you want to reply to anybody's post, all you have to do is you click on the discussion, like this. Click on the discussion. It'll open up the discussion. It'll also open up any files that are available there. It'll also open your image. And then you can, if it's your own, you can edit it at any time. You can delete it, and you can hit reply. You can't delete or edit anybody else's forum posts. So this is how you reply to a forum post, right there. And you can use all of the same functions as well that you use when you're making a forum post. You can add files as well to share, and all of that kind of thing. So let's just you don't, when you're replying, actually you don't need to put anything in the subject because it's already there. So now we just click post to forum, and it will post in the reply. You just wait while the page loads, and it will show you here how you have your two forum posts. You have your first one, and then you have your reply. And then if we go back, we'll just use this here to find it. Now we can use the back button here, or this is our breadcrumb. It tells us where we are. So right now we're right here. This is our forum right here, so it kind of goes backwards. This is our practitioner support. That's the name of the forum that we're in. It's in black, you see. And then we click on PSF, which stands for Practitioner Support Forum. And here we are. We've got all of these here. The support and discussion, introduction, and general forum here. So actually, now that I'm looking at it, I'm probably going to change this here to practitioners support forums, because there's going to be more than one forum, not just one. So the reason for that is because it'll help the practitioners to organize the various, instead of just having one forum. They could have one just for general discussion and one for more formal discussion. So that's basically how you do it. And I hope that the tutorial was valuable to you, and that you will have a go and post an introduction and just maybe just say hi. So that's it. Thank you very much.